Riley, how's it going?
Hi, how are you? I heard you're in quarantine. How's that going?
It's going okay. It's kind of boring sometimes, but I think the hard part is like I can't see you and like my friends from school, but that's okay.
I understand. I really miss you. When I was in quarantine, I really missed my dance team and it was really hard, but I understand that it's like for the safety of others and we'll get through it. When I was in quarantine, I had a grown-up help me make this glitter jar, and it just reminds me of my dance team because our team colors are pink and our theme was butterflies, and there's little tiny butterflies inside it. Um, if you want to make one, I can show you how.
Yeah, that'd be really fun.
Awesome. The supplies is like pretty cheap. It's like around $1, and you can find things around your house as well, like beads and confetti and glitter. It just depends what you like, and yeah, I put them in small containers, like so it makes less of a mess. Would you like to try it?
Yeah, sure. You can pass them here.
Yeah, sure. This one's gems.
Thank you.
If you have any like water bottles or anything, you can use that as long as the lid is like able to like be tight.
How do you put this stuff in without making a mess?
So one of the grown-ups in my house showed me that if you take a piece of paper and you roll it up from the corner, it can create a funnel. Well, I hope that really helps you. Maybe later tonight you can find things around your house and it can be like try to remind you of like the ocean and going and like swimming and playing with your friends. And I hope your quarantine goes well and that this project makes you a little bit less bored and yeah.
Alright, bye Riley. Thank you so much for showing me how to do this.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
The next day, Kaylin started to think about just how much she missed going to the beach with her friends. She especially missed surfing there. Caitlin decided that day to get an adult to help her make a glitter jar that reminded her of the ocean. Some of the things she used and that you can use too are confetti, plastic jewels, gems, stars, small plastic toys, seashells, and glitter. Have an adult help you fill up a bottle so it's a little less than 3/4 of the way full. Then start to add in small things that remind you of something you like. For Caitlin, she really likes the beach and was really missing the beach today. She first put in seashells. Then she put in the stars. And then she poured a few different colors of glitter into her bottle with the help from an adult. Always make sure to clean up your space after you're done with your glitter jar art project. Then tighten the lid or cap really tight. Then have an adult check to see if the cap is tight enough. Then shake away and watch the glitter fall. Now when Caitlin gets her ocean glitter jar out, it will remind her of something she loves, the ocean. You can make a glitter jar just like Keelan, at home with the help of an adult.